In this lesson, we are going to see the basic concept of regression analysis. Coming to the introduction of regression analysis, if two variables are closely related, we may be interested in estimating or called predicting the value of one variable given the value of another. For example, if we know that advertising and sales are correlated, we found out the expected amount of sales for a given advertising expenditure, or the required amount of expenditure for attaining a given amount of sales. Similarly, if we know that the yield of rice and rainfall are closely related, we may be found out the amount of rain required to achieve a certain production figure. Regression analysis reveals average relationship between two variables, and this makes possible estimation or prediction. The term regression was first used by Sir Francis Galton, an English scientist in 1877, while studying the relationship between the height of father and sons. His study of height of about 1,000 father and sons revealed a very interesting relationship. That is, first thing is, tall father tend to have tall son and short father have short sons. This is one thing. And second thing is, the average height of the sons of a group of tall father is less than that of this. One is, the average height of sons of group of short fathers is more than of that of the fathers. Coming back to the definition of regression analysis, regression is the measure of average relationship between two or more variables in terms of original unit of the data. And another one definition of regression analysis is one of the most frequently used technique in economics and business research to find a relationship between two or more variables that are related casually as regression analysis. Coming to the independent and dependent variable in a regression analysis is that the variable which is used to predict the variable of interest is called independent variable or explanatory variable. The another name of independent variable we may use explanatory variable. The variable we are trying to predict is called the dependent variable or explained variable. The independent variable is denoted by X and the dependent variable by Y. The analysis used is called the simple linear analysis, regression analysis. Simple because there is only one predictor or independent variable, and linear because of the assumed linear relationship between the dependent and the independent variable. The term linear means that an equation of a straight line of the form y equal to a plus bx, where a and b are constants, is used to describe the average relationship that exists between two variables. So coming back to the uses of regression analysis. Regression analysis is a branch of statistical theory that is widely used in almost all scientific discipline. In economics, it is a basic technique for measuring or estimating the relationship among economic variable that constitute the essence of economic theory and economic life. The three main uses of a regression analysis is that regression analysis provides estimate of value of dependent variable from the value of independent variable. The device is used to accomplish this estimation procedure is regression line. This is first point. Second point is the second is the regression analysis is to obtain a measure of the error involving in using the regression line as a basis for estimation. For this purpose, the standard error of estimation is calculating. This is second point. Coming to the third point, third uses of regression is with the help of regression coefficients, we can calculate correlation coefficient. The square of correlation or square called the coefficient of determination measures of degree of association of correlation that exists between two variables. By that is the third point is by using correlation regression coefficients we can calculate the coefficient of correlation, that is R value. These are all the uses of regression analysis. Thank you.